Hi everybody, I'm Svan from FreeSoto.com, and here are the release notes for release number 3 of FreeSoto. I'll go quickly over them and then talk about them in detail. First of all, FreeSoto is now public access, so anyone can use the software. 2, we introduced a blog. 3, we improved the freelancer detail page. 4, we made some changes to the Add Freelancer window. And 5, we fixed the backup functionality. So now let's discuss all these changes in detail. The biggest change in release number 3 is that FreeSoto can now be used by anybody. You just click on login, then you click on or sign up. You put in your email address, you put in your password, you confirm that password, and then you click on sign up. And that's it. Off you go. The second most exciting change in release number 3 is the introduction of a blog. Currently, we have 2 blog posts online. The first one is about release number 2, and the other one is about how to hire a freelancer on Upwork. We put quite a lot of work into that one. Here you can click on it, and it explains pretty much everything we learned in 8 years of working and hiring freelancers on Upwork. You should definitely check it out. Next are changes we made to the freelancer detail page. When you scroll down to the project stats, the status is much more clearer now. You can toggle between interviewed and hired with these radio buttons. And what happens when you switch from interviewed to hired, the ratings become much longer. It is expanded by delivery on time, quality of work, and bug fix speed. Another change is that we added explanations to the star ratings to make them much more objective and measurable. Therefore, we have written under every star rating what it means. Take responsiveness as an example. If the freelancer replies within 72 hours, that would be 2 stars. And if he always replies within 15 minutes, that would be 5 stars. One more thing, if you go here to responsiveness and you select that the freelancer never replied, then everything else shuts off because, well, if the freelancer never replies, there's really no use to rate him anymore. Next, we improved the Add Freelancer window. Now we're just asking for the primary name and the link to the freelancer. So that would be, for example, the individual freelancer link from Upwork or Fiverr. And then you select the project. You can do that here from the drop-down list. And we always recommend to add an image. That makes it so much easier to recognize a person in a long list of freelancers. We realized on the last release that the backup functionality was a little buggy, especially if you have a lot of freelancers in FreeSoto, then the download of the backup file wasn't possible. But we changed that now, and when you go up here to this download icon, you have the option to export to XLSX or CSV. And if you click on one of them, it forwards you to the export page. And it says here it's in progress, and once the status changes, you have the option to click on this download button. Okay, that's all the improvements for now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.